Every morning, she slowly wakes up in her cozy bedroom, stretching her arms and saying, "Good morning." Sunlight pours through the curtains and she can hear birds singing outside. She walks to the bathroom and brushes her teeth carefully, making sure they are clean and shiny. Then she goes to the kitchen for breakfast. She pours cereal into a bowl, spreads butter on toast, and enjoys a warm cup of tea while looking out the window. After breakfast, she chooses her clothes for the day, thinking carefully about what looks nice, and packs her backpack with books, notebooks, pencils, and a lunchbox. On her way to school, she walks under streets lined with cherry blossom trees. The pink petals fall gently in the breeze, and she smiles at the pretty view. At school, she meets her friends at the gate, waving and laughing together. In the classroom, she listens to the teacher, writes notes, and sometimes whispers a little with her classmates. During recess, she runs to the playground, swings high on the swings, and laughs as she plays games with everyone. Lunchtime is fun too. She eats her favorite sandwiches and fruit, chatting with friends about the day. After lunch, she goes to the library to study quietly. She reads her books, flipping the pages slowly, enjoying the calm and peaceful atmosphere. After school, she joins her club activity. Sometimes she paints colorful pictures, and sometimes she plays music with her friends, laughing at little mistakes and cheering each other on. On the way home, the sun sets and the sky glows with orange and pink. She stops at a small cafe to enjoy a snack, maybe ice cream or juice, savoring the sweet taste. At home, she helps her family by washing dishes or folding clothes. Then she spends time on her hobbies, drawing, playing games, or reading comics, smiling quietly to herself. In the evening, she sits by the window and looks at the city lights sparkling below, feeling happy and calm. Dinner time comes and she eats with her family, enjoying warm food and friendly conversation. After dinner, she sometimes takes a short walk outside under the moonlight, watching little cats, fireflies, and other small animals. Finally, she returns to her cozy room, changes into her pajamas, hugs her favorite stuffed toy, and pulls up her blanket. She whispers, "Good night," closes her eyes, and drifts into sweet dreams, ready to wake up and start a new day tomorrow.